and explain a little more about the Carpet Express C4 pump. This is a GOTEC pump. In some of our previous videos we've talked about it. This is what the whole pump apparatus looks like, and you can just remove the wires and back it out. You'll notice there's an inline filter. If this filter gets clogged, this pump will starve for water, and you may find that it'll melt. In that case, you just have to remove the pump. However, if it just makes a humming noise, it could be something as simple as the diode, or I found occasionally the little plunger that goes up and down gets stuck. And so I'm going to show you how to service this. I don't recommend you do this, but if you do, here's how to do it, and be very careful because it's hard to seat this again. Remove these two screws. There we go. And as you saw what happened, the plunger popped off. Then you remove this little seal. Again, be very careful. And here's what you'll find inside. Occasionally, the spring breaks. So if you need some springs, we have those. Put the spring in, set it back in place. Sometimes this plunger gets stuck, and what you may have to do is open it up, and if you see the plunger doesn't turn, don't use a screwdriver, but I use like a nut driver and just push it in to free it up. Some cleaning chemicals tend to clog these pumps, and then of course you put it back the same way that you took it off. But again, be very careful in making sure this seats properly. Okay, and then you put the screws back in. I hope you found this helpful. These pumps are rather difficult to repair. I haven't had the best success, but if it's just stuck, if the plunger is stuck, it's not that difficult to free it up. And you can put just a tiny squirt of WD-40, but not very much. And then once it's seated properly and tied down, you're ready to go. I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to see us on our webpage at www.carpetexpress.biz.